Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. That's Praveen Nair and I'm Maahek Nair, and today we are going to be doing a lemon ginger zinger juice for you.
Right, the name is too much complicated, but it just got some really amazing stuff. It has got something called as green apple.
Let's quickly go and check the ingredients. Ingredients: 1 whole green apple, 2 whole peeled carrots, 1 whole peeled lemon, and little ginger peel. First I'm going to add 2 whole carrots. Next I'm going to add ginger. Going to add 1 whole lemon. And lastly I'm going to add 1 whole apple. So our lemon ginger zinger juice is ready. The yummy lemon ginger. Oh, it's a tongue twister. The yummy lemon ginger juice is ready.
Alright, awesome guys. We got a lot of recipes as such. It's on food, it's on juices, it's on, you name it, we got it. All you have to do is that follow the routine to the perfection to get the best results possible. We've got recipes, we've got train to look at programs, we've got information. So all you have to do that, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we're looking forward to see you in the next video.
Stay tuned.
See you.